This is a 1998 Mitsubishi ECLIPSE GST Turbo. It's got alloy wheels, brand new tires. Body's in really nice shape for 12 years old. Headlights are clear. No rock chips on the hood. Well, one little tiny one. Cover for your top. Back seats are in good shape. There's one little tiny rip there on the driver's seat. Power locks and windows. Power mirrors. AM/FM cassette CD. 5-speed transmission. Dual airbags. Let's fire this baby up. If you've ever driven a car like this, you know it's pretty dang fast. There's a little kill switch on the key so nobody steals it. Just flip that little switch. It's got 933 on the miles. Temperature, turbo booster, oil pressure. Let's go check out the engine. Then I'll show you the top. The motor for the power top isn't working, but you can just manually just lift it up and put it back. Pretty smooth. Aftermarket air cleaner, blowout valve, transmission's nice and tight. You know what, I don't really want to take this cover off to show you the top, but trust me, there's no rips or tears in it. It's a black top, cloth, no leaks. I'm just being lazy today. So anyway, 98 Mitsubishi ECLIPSE, 133,000 miles, turbocharged GST, really hard to find. SaveOnCarsOnline.com or call Jason at 801-393-3411. Thanks and have a great day.